everyone. So today we are going to be discussing how we use the Airflow EMS air polisher from Hu-Friedy. So it comes with multiple powders. Today we're going to be talking about the Airflow Classic with the mint flavor, and this is just for super gingival, so you're going to do anything above the gum line. So it's great for staining and patients that are sensitive to the scalers when it comes to removing any stain, okay? So before you start using it, you want to make sure that it's clean. With maintenance, you want to always make sure you're taking out the powder from this area before you put it away. So we have an empty one now, so we're going to take some of this powder, and it's very light and sifty, so be careful because it can fly around a little bit. And we're just going to empty it in there. And you'll see that it'll fill up a little, okay? It's all flowing around. So we're gonna put that here, and we're gonna close that up. We would hate for that, wrong top, sorry. We would hate for that to fall. And then we're gonna close that up really tightly. And you put it on a tip like this. So this is an attachment that we put here that connects with this, okay? And that allows for water and air to flow through here for us. And then we have the rheostat. You want to make sure the water is on. And this is the tip that we use. And you can see it has a little angle for it, so that's great. And we attach it like this. Make sure everything is nice and tight and put together. And you also want to make sure the PSI here is between 40 and 50, so I like to put it on 45. And also you want to make sure that the water levels are not too high depending on the chair setup that you have. Make sure you adjust your water setting so it's not like a bath for the patient. So then, just to assess how much water and pressure is coming out, we're going to come on over here, and you can see it moving around inside the container. That means the pressure is good, and you can see it kind of coming out like that, okay? So now we're going to be using it on my lovely friend, Miss Kelsey. So I will be back to show you a video on removing some stain. Okay, so we're going to use the high-speed suction, and we're going to place it right along the area that we're going to be doing the polishing. And then you're going to bring the polisher and just see it coming off? Ooh. Getting me alert. Be a little messy. Which is why we have that high-speed suction. But it really got rid of it. That's amazing.